मैं कबूतर फंसे गया पर फंसे बिना
जय हो।
तेरा नाम है साचा मन मेरी आन पाचा बस नाम तेरा माँ हो एक पहचान मेरी तू ही जिंद जान मेरी तू ही जहान मेरा माँ
हो तुझ पे वारना सौ वारी जान मैं तुझ पे वारना सौ वारी जान मैं तेरे कुर्बान मेरी माँ हमको प्यार से इंडिया वाले छूटे के तार से इंडिया वाले झीले हार से इंडिया वाले छुड़ा दे हम इंडिया वाले
चल मेरी महबूबा मैं तेनू ताज पवा दूंगा बन जा तू मेरी रानी तेनू महल दवा दूंगा
यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग यहाँ हर कदम कदम पे धरती बदले रंग यहाँ की बोली में रंगोली सात रंग धानी पगड़ी पहने मौसम में नीली चादर ताने अंबर है नदी सवेरी भरा समंदर देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला देश रंगीला रंगीला देश मेरा रंगीला
ग्रंथ साहिब है गीता का ज्ञान है दुनिया में कहीं और मंजर नसीब नहीं दुनिया में ये और मंजर कहीं नसीब नहीं दिखा दो दुनिया को
Move back,
ये
guys.
हिंदुस्तान है
ये मेरा इंडिया आई लव माय इंडिया
Wishing you all a very happy Independence Day. Put your hands in the air! And for India, as loud as you can, let me hear you scream! Not loud enough.
The aura, the love, the passion, the creativity, the beauty, everything beautifully, a beautiful conglomeration put together by Nritya Ki. It is
बोले सोने हाथ थैंक यू जी थैंक यू
Vande! Thank you guys for coming. I would मैं ज़्यादा टाइम तो ले नहीं सकता, मैं इतने बड़े शख्स के आगे कुछ नहीं बोल सकता, मैं सिर्फ हाथ जोड़ के प्रणाम करता हूँ आपको सर. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर कमिंग एंड प्लीज वॉशिंगटन डीसी अपने स्टाइल से जरा मेक सम नॉइज फॉर वन एंड ओनली अनुपम खेर. And now if you look on the left, we have the dashing, the Bhangra king of India and the world, Sukhbir Khan. I'm going to give this mic to Jesse ji to say a few words.
Thank you, Manish. Wow, what a crowd, what a difference from last year. So good to see you. We have a very fun-filled evening ahead. Mahan Shakhsiyat ne Anupam Kher ji, Sukhbir is with us. So once again, thank you for intense entertainment, Manish and Deepa ji, for bringing these celebrities so close to us. Thank you so much. We have a representation from the Embassy of India, our Minister of Community Affairs, who's always been there for us whenever we have issues going to India, visa, other issues. He's been there for us. Please give him a big round of applause today, Anurag Kumar ji. I would like for him to say a few words. After that, we have somebody from the Governor's office who have brought special awards for Anupam Kher ji and Sukhbir ji, and of course Deepa and Manish ji. And after that, we have a fun-filled evening here with helicopter coming, flower petals showering, and the unfurling of our national flag. And once again, Vande Mataram. And all my Sikh and Punjabi brothers, Bole Sonihal.
Thank you very much, Jesse ji, Anupam Kher ji, Sukhbir ji, Manish ji and Deepa ji. On behalf of Embassy of India in Washington DC, on behalf of Ambassador, I wish you all a very, very happy 75th Independence Day of India. Your presence here in these numbers is really encouraging and exciting, which shows your love for your motherland, your love for India. This is a special occasion. This is the 75th Independence Day. Prime Minister has already announced that we will have 2-year-long celebration for the 75th for this special occasion, which is known as Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. And it has been started and will continue till 2023. So I will encourage all of you to take part in the various programs which will be organized under for Azadi Ka Amrit Mahotsav. And I am pretty sure that your love and enthusiasm which is witnessed here, that will really make it great. India is proud of its diaspora. All of you represent the very best and the very successful people all across the world. And you are all brand ambassadors of India. Once again, I wish you all a very, very happy Independence Day. Thank you.
Now we have a special message from the Governor of Maryland, Governor Larry Hogan. His director of his office, Mr. Steve McAdams, is here with some citations and his special message. Mr. Steve McAdams.
Good evening.
And on behalf of the people of Maryland and the governor of the state of Maryland, Governor Hogan, we want to wish you happy 75th Independence Day. And we want to say thank you to Jesse Singh, the chair of our South Asian Commission. And most importantly, Governor Hogan would like you to know how much we appreciate and value everything that you do for our community in the state of Maryland. So thank you very much. Jesse? First citation we have is for Mr. Anupam Kher. From the state of Maryland, Governor of the state of Maryland, to Anupam Kher. Greetings. Be it known that on behalf of the citizens of this state, in recognition of your 39-year career promoting peace and South Asian culture throughout the world as a renowned television film actor, using your popularity to promote greater educating opportunities for Indian youth, sharing your positive perspectives through your best-selling books, on this occasion of the Indian Independence Day, it is with great admiration and respect we are pleased to confer upon you this governor's citation, signed Governor Larry Hogan.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, I would like to introduce, well, he doesn't need introduction, but I have to.
Yeah, and we have another one, Sukhbir Singh. From the state of Maryland, Governor of the state of Maryland to Sukhbir Singh, greetings. Be it known that on behalf of the citizens of this state, in recognition of the Prince of Bengal and your outstanding career celebrating both fusion and Punjab music, over 2 decades of award-winning songs and video that have both modernized and promoted South Indian musical culture both here in Maryland and globally, and on the grand occasion of India's 75th Independence Day, it is with full acknowledgement of your gifts and talents, we are pleased to confer on you from the people of Maryland this governor's citation, signed Governor Larry Hogan.
One of the finest actors in India, I would say internationally. He is a recipient of 2 national awards and 8 Filmfare Awards. The government of India honored him with Padma Shri in 2004 and Padma Bhushan in 2016. And I am honored to say that he's my senior peer and graduate fellow from Indian Theatre Chandigarh. And I'm proud to say that. And now, on behalf of all of you, behalf of Intense, please welcome one and only Padma Shri, Padma Bhushan, Shri Anupam Kher Sahib.
मेरे प्यारे भारतवासियों, वाह 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 वाह, मैंने इतने रंग बिरंगे आभूषणों में, रंग बिरंगे कपड़ों में हिंदुस्तानियों को हिंदुस्तान में भी नहीं देखा जितने यहाँ देखने को मिले। ये झंडे की खुशबू, आप लोगों की मुस्कुराहट आज के इस दिन ने मुझे वाकई बहुत खुश कर दिया। ये झंडा जो मेरे दिल के पास है, ये दिल के अंदर भी रहता है। और जो पीछे लोग हैं वो भी आगे आ जाओ, पता नहीं फिर कब मेरी शक्ल देखने को मिलेगी। आप सब लोग हिंदुस्तान को, भारत को, इंडिया को विदेश में रिप्रेजेंट करते हैं। और मैं हमेशा कहता हूं कि हिंदुस्तानियों का दिल बहुत बड़ा होता है, इसलिए हम खिलखिला के हंसते हैं, खिलखिला के गले लगते हैं, मुस्कुराते हैं, प्यार करते हैं, झगड़ते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी अंदर से हम क्या लोग हैं? इंडिया वाले। वाह 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 वाह। मेरा ये सौभाग्य है कि आज के दिन मुझे मनीष ने और दीपा ने और आप सब लोग जो यहाँ खड़े हैं उन्होंने मुझे यहाँ बुलाया। ये मेरा सौभाग्य है कि यहाँ के गवर्नर साहब ने मुझे जो एक ताम्र पत्र दिया है, रिकग्निशन दिया है, ये किसी भी बड़े अवार्ड से बड़ा है। और आपको देख के मेरा दिल बाग बाग हो जाता है। कैसी हो आप मैडम? नाइस टू सी यू। तो ये जो हमारी खासियत है, जो हम लोग एक दूसरे को मिलते हैं, एक दूसरे को पहचानते हैं। मैं एयरपोर्ट पे हूं या मैं किसी रेस्टोरेंट में हूं, मैं कभी भी किसी हिंदुस्तानी को देखता हूं तो मुझे लगता है ये मुस्कुराहट जानी पहचानी, ये दिल जाना पहचाना है। आई एम श्योर ये हर देश के इंसान को हर दूसरे देश में लगता होगा। लेकिन आप के बारे में ये कहना चाहता हूं कि जो फर्स्ट जनरेशन यहाँ आई है, मैं उनको सलाम करना चाहता हूं। वो किस मुश्किलात से यहाँ आई होगी, किस परेशानियों से यहाँ आई होगी। जैसे भाई साहब यहाँ खड़े हैं, सब सामने हैं। जो जज्बा इनके दिल में है वो सेकंड जनरेशन के दिल में होना चाहिए और थर्ड जनरेशन के दिल में भी होना चाहिए। बिकॉज व्हाट यू आर डूइंग, यू आर रिप्रेजेंटिंग a country, your own country, and spreading the message of our Honorable Prime Minister, of our 1.3 billion people, of peace, of happiness, of gratitude, of greatness. And that is the most important factor that we have to keep in mind. You are the people who make us feel very proud. और मैं हमेशा ये कहता हूं कि हिंदुस्तान के बाहर रहने वाला हिंदुस्तानी हिंदुस्तान में रहने वाले हिंदुस्तानी से ज्यादा हिंदुस्तानी है। और ये मैं दिल से कहता हूं। आप हमारी ट्रेडिशंस को आगे ले जाते हैं। इतना बड़ा समूह, इतना बड़ा जो मुझे यहाँ पर देखने को पैगाम मिल रहा है, ये इस बात का सबूत है कि आप इस देश की, हमारे देश की मिट्टी में विश्वास रखते हैं। आप हमारे देश के इंपॉर्टेंट जो एक एटीट्यूड है उस पर विश्वास रखते हैं, उसको बरकरार रखिए। एंड कहां पहुंच गए हम लोग? सिर्फ 75 साल में पहुंचे हैं हम। हमारी परंपरा हजारों साल है, लेकिन हमें आजाद हुए सिर्फ 75 साल हुए हैं। और आज 75 साल में मैं दावे के साथ कह सकता हूं और गर्व के साथ कह सकता हूं कि हमारा देश अगले 10 साल में पूरी दुनिया का नंबर 1 देश होगा। और ये होगा। बोलने को तो बहुत कुछ है, लेकिन एक पोएम आप लोगों को सुनाना चाहता हूं। वो इसलिए क्योंकि आप सबको वो रिप्रेजेंट करती है। आप सब में साहस है कि लहरों से डरकर नौका पार नहीं होती, हिम्मत करने वालों की हार नहीं होती। नन्ही चींटी जब दाना लेकर चलती है, चढ़ती दीवारों पर 100 बार फिसलती है। मन का विश्वास रगों में साहस भरता है, चढ़कर गिरना गिरकर चढ़ना ना करता है। आखिर उसकी मेहनत बेकार नहीं होती, हिम्मत करने वालों की हार नहीं होती। मेरे साथ एक बार नारा लगाइए। और मैं बहुत गर्वित महसूस कर रहा हूं। आई फील हम्बल्ड दैट यू ऑल केम। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर योर लव फॉर द लास्ट 39 years. I'm right now shooting for my 519th film. And that could not have happened without the constant support and love from all of you. And I must tell you that every time I work outside India in an English language film, I'm a Hindi medium guy. I went to a school in a Hindi medium school. I learned ABCD in the fifth grade. But every time sports people and other people get officially to represent their countries, but cinema people do not get officially. But every time I'm giving a shot in an English language film, I in my mind say, Bharat Mata ki jai. Thank you अनुराग जी। आज मैं एम्बेसडर साहब को मिला था, जिस प्यार से, जिस शिद्दत से उन्होंने मेरा स्वागत किया, जिस शिद्दत से पीछे सरदार जी ने बोला, जो बोले सो निहाल। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया। यही नारे हैं और आज का जो सबसे इंपॉर्टेंट नारा है वंदे वंदे, पूरा हाथ उठा के वंदे वंदे भारत माता की, भारत माता की, भारत माता की। जीते रहो। थैंक यू सो मच।
दोस्तों इतनी बढ़िया स्पीच सुनने के बाद इतना ठंडा क्लैपिंग, कम ऑन मेक सम नॉइज।
Values. The teachings of those who fought for India's independence inspired civil rights leaders in the United States and others around the world to fight oppression with non-violent resistance. The Indian diaspora in Virginia has been instrumental in contributing to our Commonwealth's growth and development. I know that we will continue to work together to ensure that Virginia is a place where everyone can rise. Again, I wish to congratulate everyone attending this meaningful event today. Thank you and happy Indian Independence Day.
Now friends, we're going to have awards and be given by Hirsa. So the first one is
First one, the Entrepreneur of the Year in the IT industry, Mr. Salil Sankaran. He's the president of Amcus Group. He's been responsible for growing the company at 40% year over year. And today, Amcus has over 1,500 employees. The company is headquartered in Chantilly, Virginia, and has over 16 offices in the United States.
give him big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
The next one, Leadership and Community Service, Mr. Jasdeep Singh Jesse. He's a well-known, successful entrepreneur and a philanthropist. He's the founder and chairman of Six of America. He's also chairman of the Governor's Commission on South Asian American Affairs for the past 10 years. He was also advisor to President Trump on diversity. He also runs an organization, Center for Social Change, which serves more than 200 individuals with intellectual and developmental disabilities. The next one, Best Astrologer in DMV area, Mr. Ram Sarup. Mr. Ramji has helped society with his vast knowledge in astrology, with accurate predictions, face reading, and not the least Vastu, and has over 35 years of experience in astrology. The next one, Best Personal Trainer of DMV, Ms. Diana Paul. Resilient, relentless, and real, Diana Paul is an elite trainer who slays personal records with Ismail, founder and owner of Diana's Fitness Lab. The next one, Ambassador of Peace, Mr. Masood Rashidi. Mr. Masood Rashidi, a man with a golden heart. Masood Rashidi's first home is America, but his second home will always be Afghanistan. And India is his third home. He has lived in India for 20 years and acquired knowledge about the cultures. The next one, Women Leader of the Year, Ms. Mahinder Thak. She's an Indian American radiation oncologist and retired U.S. Army colonel. She was a co-chair of the Democratic National Committee's Indo-American Council during the 2008 Obama campaign. Presently the board of directors at the National Museum of Women in Art. The next
Big
one,
hand, ladies and gentlemen. Please recognize them whenever they finish taking the award. Appreciate it.
Next one, Women Entrepreneur of the Year, Ms. Anita Bhatia. For 25 years, Gold City Jewelers has been a leader in providing our community 22-karat gold and dimension jewelry. We would like to honor the honor of Gold City Jewelers, Ms. Anita Bhatia, as Women Entrepreneur of the Year.
Big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
Entrepreneur of the Year in Trading Business, Mr. Dan Arora, President and CEO of Chesapeake Merchandising. With its offices in New York, India and China, is a major importer of home textile and supplies to all big box stores such as Walmart and e-commerce retailers such as Amazon.
Big hand, ladies and gentlemen.
Women Entrepreneur of the Year in Mortgage Industry, Ms. Renu Bhatija, wife and mother of two, is currently running a multi-state licensed leader and broker company as a president. Just like any other woman, she loves diamonds, cooking, and her family. Entrepreneur of the Year in Service Business, Mr. Ravi Sharma. He's from an established entrepreneur who started from small business to now owning multiple national food franchises. Mr. Ravi employs over 50 plus employees and the business is only growing. The Dynamic Entrepreneur of the Year, Mr. Devan Shah, is the managing partner of the business immigration practice of Shah and Kishore. He's a recognized leader for over 25 years, representing startup companies to publicly traded companies throughout the United States and overseas.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Oh, okay.
Emerging digital transformation company Zillion Technologies. The Zillion team are problem solvers that accelerate learning, collaboration, and lead positive change for our customers.
And it's not Manish Award anywhere.
I'm just taking on it.
He's taking, yes.
Saving our customers
Big
time
hand
and
for him,
resources.
ladies and gentlemen.
मिस एंड टीम कैटेगरी और एक है हमारे मिसेस इंडिया फ्रॉम नॉर्थ कैरोलिना. सो दीज आर ऑल द
Here we go, ladies and gentlemen. मैं मुल्क की हिफाजत करूंगा, मुल्क मेरी जान है, इसकी रक्षा के लिए मेरा दिल जान कुर्बान है. जो शहीद हुए, उनको
पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्छल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तब जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे What so proudly we hailed at the twilight's last gleam, whose broad stripes and bright stars through the perilous fight o'er the ramparts we watched were so gallantly streamed. And the rocket's red glare, the bombs bursting in air, gave proof through the night that our flag was still there. Oh, say does that star-spangled banner yet wave o'er the lands of the free and the home of the brave.
Thank you, friend.
Put your hands in the air. This time for India. Let me hear you scream. Very happy to be here, ladies and gentlemen. The first song I sang was Punjabi Munde Paun Pangda. एक भी मुंडा मैनू नजर नहीं आया पंगड़ा पाउंदा होया. So, I'm going to forget the boys for a while. I have a special song for all the girls in the house.
नमस्ते आदाब सत श्री अकाल मैं हूं मनीष सूद और फ्रॉम इंटेंस एंटरटेनमेंट एंड इंटेंस 102.9 FM ਅਸੀਂ today 15th of August we celebrated India Independence Day, the 75th India Independence Day. बहुत ही धूमधाम नाल we celebrated it. सुखबीर was awesome. उन्होंने जो मज़े लगाए हैं and हज़ारों के तादाद में लोग आए थे. We had a great time. और अनुपम खेर साहब, the legend of Bollywood, he was right here. His speech was so mesmerizing. बहुत ही सानू बहुत ही मज़ा आया. And I think all the people who attended, they had a great time. So once again, wishing everyone a very, very happy 75th India Independence Day. And thank you, DMV, for all your supports through all the events of Intense Entertainment and Intense 102.9 FM. Thank you.